Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload supplier data to QuickBooks Online. If you're managing multiple suppliers and need to get them all into your system quickly, importing via CSV is far more efficient than entering each one manually. Let's walk through exactly how to do this. First, you'll want to click the gear icon at the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. This is your main settings hub where you can access all your configuration and data management tools. Once you click it, you'll see several sections appear in a drop-down menu. Under the Tools section, select Import Data. This feature is specifically designed to help you bulk upload information rather than entering it one record at a time. It's a real time saver when you're setting up your account or updating large amounts of information. Next, you'll need to choose what type of data you're importing. Select suppliers as your data type. QuickBooks will then tailor the import process specifically for supplier information, ensuring all the right fields are available for mapping. Now click Browse and locate the CSV file you've prepared with your supplier data. Make sure this file includes all the essential information like supplier names, contact details, and email addresses. Once you've selected your file, QuickBooks will upload it and take you to the next stage. You'll now see the field mapping screen. This is where QuickBooks attempts to match the columns in your spreadsheet to its own fields, things like supplier name, email, phone number, and address. Take a moment to review these mappings carefully. If anything looks incorrect, simply click the drop-down next to that field and select the correct QuickBooks field it should map to. Getting this right is crucial because incorrect mappings can result in messy data or failed imports. Once you're confident the mappings are correct, click Next to continue. QuickBooks will then show you a preview of your supplier data import. This preview lets you see exactly how your data will appear once imported, so scan through it to check for accuracy and completeness. Look for any obvious errors or missing information before proceeding. When everything looks good, click Import to upload your supplier data into QuickBooks Online. The system will process your file and add the suppliers to your account. If QuickBooks flags any errors or skipped rows, don't worry, just note what went wrong, fix those entries in your original CSV file, and re-upload it following the same steps. Finally, verify that your suppliers have been imported correctly by heading to the Vendors section. You can search for specific suppliers or browse through the list to confirm all the details are accurate and complete. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.